and take a coffee?
Yes, I want to take a sip and take a coffee.
That's good.
Tastes rich. And tell me, how is your sister?
Oh, she's good. She's better. You know that she had a car accident?
Yes, and she was like seeking the brain, right?
Yeah, but his brain is good now.
She turned black.
Yeah.
I wanted to talk to you.
What about?
Well, yesterday I met Miley Cyrus.
Oh my god, that sounds like Hannah Montana.
Yeah, really.
Tennessee?
Huh?
Like the girl of
The
Tennessee?
Tennessee girl. Yeah, the horse girl.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's good.
she's a very nice person, really.
No.
Yes.
She seems like a person very rude.
Yeah, well, lately she has become very...
Weird, no? Yeah, she's like very weird.
Yeah, her videos, the new songs.
Yeah.
Difficult to see a new Miley.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Yeah, I also like it. Well, I don't like it. I love it.
Well, did you know that she has tachycardia when she was born?
Oh my god, is she sick?
Not really, but she has tachycardia.
Oh, tachycardia is awful.
Yeah, one time in a concert,
Yes.
she was like,
Uh-huh.
and she was like,
Oh, about the tachycardia.
uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and she has also a lot of allergic problems.
Oh my god, I didn't know about it. She seems like a girl that is very healthy.
No, but she has a lot of healthy problems.
Yeah, she's very skinny.
And what?
Very white.
And she like paint her hair all the time.
Yeah.
What about
That's
that?
a lot of
What do you
peroxide.
think? Didn't you miss the old Miley?
Yeah, I miss Hannah Montana.
I miss her hair.
I miss Disney Channel.
Well, we grew up.
Yeah. Also,
Maybe.
she grew up.